Vietnamese crispy crepes or bánh xèo is one of the most traditional and fun recipe to prepare on the weekend or when there is a family gathering. Whatever skillet you have, you can always prepare this bánh xèo. Small size, then add in small batter. Large size, add in more batter. First, you add in white onion, saute with shrimp, and then you pour in your batter and wait for about 30 seconds until the edges around it becomes crispy. Then you add in bean sprout, mung bean, and meat. Wait for another minute or so and then flip it in half just like that. And your bánh xèo is ready. Heat should be high, and this is a very fun recipe to prepare. I strongly believe that cooking as a family and eating the meal together will lay the foundation for my children to prioritize family later in life, and this is a perfect time for grandchildren to bond with grandma. So if you're interested, please follow me. Let's go through the recipe now. 1 bag of shrimp or prawns, 2 bags of bean sprout. I'm using 1 bag of mung bean. This is the one without the shell. It's already split in half. The mung bean needs to be soaked in water about 30 minutes before. This recipe allows everyone to participate. Mom is helping out with steaming the mung bean. Steaming process takes about an hour and a half. Before steaming the mung bean, add in 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 3 pounds of ground pork. Then I'm going to chop 1 pound of shrimp and mix with my ground pork. Depending on which region you're from in Vietnam, everyone prepares it a little bit differently. Today I'm using my sister-in-law's mom's recipe. After mixing the shrimp and pork together, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. My sister-in-law's mom comes from the very south of Vietnam, Bac Lieu, so I assume this recipe originated from there. Add in 1 tablespoon of black pepper, ground black pepper, then 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, you.